Oh baby, shaka on the beat. Shaka on the beat. Shaka on the beat.
What's up, YouTube? Before this video gets started, I want to send a big shout out to two people. First person is Modern Day Muscle, and I'll put his link right here. Modern Day Muscle, I really appreciate you. He's got he just bought a 2018 Charger Scat Pack. If you can, definitely go check out his channel. His channel, you know, is in the beginning stages, so definitely check him out. Show him some more parts support, and so his channel can grow, so we can keep this movement going. Second person I want to shout out is my little brother, Griffin. Griffin has a channel. It's called the Sleeping Moose, and I'll place his link to his page. He's a gamer, so I used to be a heavy gamer back in the day, but you know, he's still in high school or whatever, so he can do that. He has time to do that. So anyway, real quick before this video gets started, please go support Modern Day Muscle and my little brother, my real, like, actual blood little brother, Griffin, aka the Sleeping Moose. All right, YouTube, what is good? This is your boy Shaka252 bringing you another video, and today's video I'm gonna try to make it as quick as possible. For my subscribers, if you probably remember a video I did a while back talking about what I did and the steps that I took to work on my credit, that allowed me to be able to get this car. Then recently my big brother, MDG Collections, dropped a video about credit, you know what I mean? So just, you know, and it's, you know, it's a super important part, man, because a lot, like I said, a lot of guys that have big channels, they're quick to show you what they got, but they don't show you the back end of, you know, the little guys, how to you know, make those small little adjustments and able to, you know what I'm saying, to get the vehicle or house or whatever you're trying to get. I'm gonna piggyback off of MDG Collections. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my big brother MDG Collections, and I'll put his link right here. And real quick, what I wanted to talk about was one more piece that I forgot about, what I did to work on my credit. When I paid my credit card bill, I paid the bill not on the due date. I paid the bill on the billing cycle date, however. So for example, if my bill date is due June 5th and my billing cycle ended May 31st or May 30th, I'm paying my bill in May for June's bill, because if you pay your bill on the due date, the snapshot that the credit card company takes and sends to the credit bureau takes place at the billing cycle. So if you pay your card off on your due date and you check your credit report, it's still going to show the balance that you had remaining in your billing cycle. So you're constantly, you're like the dog chasing his tail. You will never catch it. You'll never catch up. So that's what I did. But I'm gonna get to the point. The thing that I forgot to add in that video, I did one more thing to help boost up my credit score a lot. There is a website. I did my research. It's a website I came across, and it's called Self-Lender. Selflender.com, and I'll put their link right here. I will put the web address right here. First is basically, they have plans where you have a $25 a month plan, 48, 72, and 150. So I did the $48 a month. So I basically did it for 12 months. I paid 40. You know how if you apply for a loan, you get your loan, and then they put you on a you know, you're on a 12, 24, 48, you know, 36 month payment plan. But the way this works, you're not receiving a loan, you're almost paying yourself. Imagine putting money in a bank. So that's basically what you're doing. So let's say January 1, I paid $48. February 1, I paid another 48. That whole year I paid $48, and it went into an account that was set up. They established like a company. It looks like a loan company, and they'll actually report that information to the credit bureau to show good credit history, on-time payments, the credit card thing, making payments on time, and using self-lender. I paid that $48 a month for 12 months, and then when I was done with it, I just cashed out, and I actually got an extra $5 or $10 because they actually have an interest rate, believe it or not. So I got about $5 or $10 extra dollars out of that. I think, what was that total? I think it came up to, man, I can't even remember. I can't remember what that grand total was. Was it 530? It was something like that. I don't know. But anyway, I got my money back and a little more. And at the same time, my credit score went up because of it. By me making those payments, every month I made that payment on time, on the 1st, or whatever the date was, that company let the credit bureaus know that I had a loan that I was making on-time payments for. But I didn't have a loan. I'm basically paying myself. This company, self-lender, I forgot who started this company, but is dope, man, because they got the plan they had for $150 a month is a 24-month plan. But the thing is, you're not obligated to fulfill that entire obligation. If you, after 2 months, you're like, you know what, I don't want to kick out that money every month, you can cancel it and cash out and get your money back. It's too easy. So pretty much that's all I got. I was just throwing that part out, piggybacking off of my brother MDG Collections, of our episodes of how to, you know, do what you got to do, take the little steps on the back end in order to get what you want. And it's not necessarily about this type of car or vehicles. It could be house. I'm still working on mine, you know what I'm saying? I'm still doing little things now, because my next move is to get a house, you know, and I'm still working on it. But the only reason why I have not bought a house yet is because I'm not even 100% if I want to live here, make Kentucky home, or go back home, not my hometown, but go back home to North Carolina. So that's what I'm really thinking about doing. And I'll figure it out. But anyway, that's all I got. If you haven't already, please like, comment, subscribe. And I have not forgot about, I put my foot in my freaking mouth because I was at 700 and something subscribers, and I was like, yeah, if I hit 800, I'll do a giveaway. And damn, I hit 800 in no time. So I'm still cooking up a plan for a giveaway. You know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna be as exclusive as Growl's Garage or anything, giving away pedal commanders or whatever else. But I'm gonna come up with something, man. But I do appreciate everybody that's subbed to the channel. Everybody that's the 1 or 2 people I had trolling my channel, giving me a hard time about my the yellow lip guards, and just I don't know, just coming here just to troll, you know. But whatever, I appreciate you as well, because you are helping me out, and I thank you very, very much. That's all I got. And I just thought of it. Okay, so recently my freaking computer died. My computer crap took a shit on me. So I didn't lose. Yeah, I lost some things, but the main things I did not lose. I was able to save all my data, so I had to pay almost $200 to retrieve all my data and reformat, defragment, and clean out. And basically Windows 10 took a shit on me and it killed my computer. What it was, my recovery file was corrupted, and Windows could not recover itself after that freaking Windows 10 update. But I got my computer back, and I lost. All right, YouTube, we're gonna try this again. I was sitting in the car recording, and my freaking phone said temperature was too high. Damn phone got too hot. I told you it was hot as hell out here. But anyway, I was just saying how I was able to recover a few things from my computer. I got it back. I'm back making beats somewhat, but if you watching my video, if you are subbed to my channel and you make beats and you have drums, hi-hats, snare drums, basses, guitars, you name it, hit me up and I'll put my email address freaking right here. Send me something, because I am struggling right now, and it's just, I had my fit. You know, I've been making beats since the end of 99, or like late 90s. I'll say 99, 2000, maybe earlier than that, maybe 97, 98. Shit, I can't remember. But I still got stuff. I'll have all my music since then, all the beats and stuff that I've collected since then till now, and I didn't lose. I lost my kits, but not the actual music that I made. I didn't lose that. So that's the good part. A lot of my projects, all my projects I made, even beats that I start. Y'all know I make a lot of beats, so the beats I started like 2, 3, 4 years ago that I never finished, they're gone. So I'm starting from scratch. If you've been asking me for beats, and if you text me or something and I told you, like, you probably got to reply like, hey, my computer died, it's under construction right now. I mean, I'm making beats, but it's not where I want to be. Real quick side note, if y'all notice, I got a camera there, up there, and I got one behind the crib. So my grass cutter, weed eater. I put a grass cutter up. I had the weed eater, you know, inside the house. Came outside one day and I looked. I'm like, man, something is missing. He decided to come over and have that 5-finger discount sale. You know, came over and snatched up my freaking weed eater. So I was pissed. I was on a murder man mission after that. I was on straight murder man mode after that. You know what I'm saying? Got the AR near the window, ready to snipe somebody out. But the next thing that happened was, it was 4th of July. Angel was, you know, Angel used to be, she was active duty too, so she was on 24-hour duty at Fort Knox. And I went down there to go, you know what I'm saying? It was like midnight, maybe 1 in the morning. So I went there, you know, to go check on her, take her something to eat or something. So I came downstairs. My dog came running downstairs before me. My dog started going crazy. You know, I got a little tiny dog anyway. So my dog just started going crazy, looking towards the back door, just going crazy. So I look towards the back door. I see like this crazy looking red and orange, blue lights. I'm like, what the hell is going on? So by the time I got to the back door, I realized somebody was at the back of my house lighting freaking sparklers, fireworks, the showers, fireworks, whatever. And then when I came outside to my car, somebody had, I guess, while I was upstairs, I didn't notice, they had lined up those same shower fireworks like you buy at a grocery store or something. They lined them up on the side of my car, lit them up, and had them going right near my car. I knew it was because they were still left lined up in a row, and I kicked them over. You know, the ashes and residue fell out of it, so I was freaking pissed. And that's why ever since then I was like, I got to get up out of this spot, this little busy little road right outside of Fort Knox. It's freaking crazy. And that's when I had to hit up Amazon, and I was like, the bedroom window right there, I got the AR laying right there, got my pistols. Yeah, I know I'm a psycho, but it's okay. But I was freaking pissed. You're not gonna play with my stuff, you know what I'm saying? If I'm not bothering you, I stay to myself. But anyway, y'all stay tuned. Y'all can still hit me up if you need beats. I'll post up my email address one more time. Just shoot me an email, or you can hit me up on IG. Probably the easiest way to hit me up is on Instagram at Shaka252, and just, you know, let me know what's up and what you're doing. If you are a rapper or singer or a performer or whatever, and you looking for beats, I am not giving you my shit for free. I mainly just look out for the people that's doing car review videos or workout videos, shit like that, because it's pretty much promoting me. Not necessarily like you're not getting on the track. And even though some people that's using my beats, right now, bigger channels, they're making money off of it, but they were kind of sort of making money already. I'm just using them as the foundation to put me out there, and it's working so far. And the main one, you know, it started out with CT Fletcher, you know what I'm saying? So when I linked up with CT, my name got out there crazy. I had dudes from Russia hitting me up for beats, workout beats, and then SRT Mush was next, and then it just went from there. But anyway, this video is way too long. If you haven't already, please subscribe, comment, like, and I'll get at you all in the next one. All right, peace.